So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable keep screen on while viewing on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So start by opening the settings app, then scroll and select display. Under display, look for screen timeout and select it. Then you should see the option keep screen on while viewing. So all you need to do to turn it on is just tap on the toggle like that. And now your A36 will use your front camera in order to keep track of you. So if you're facing the screen of your phone, then the phone will stay on. If your face moves away from the front camera and it can no longer detect you, then it will go off to conserve battery. So if you want to keep this feature on, you can just leave the toggle enabled like that. However, if you want to turn it off because you no longer need to use it, then just tap on the toggle like that, and this feature will now be disabled on your A36. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to use this feature on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.